Hey, how you doing this morning? Just gonna wash my windows here. Oh look, that one's working. That one is not. See the little washer gun down there on the hood? Where that one's coming out of? There's one right there, not coming out. Okay, we're gonna go out in the front and see what is wrong. I can tell you what's wrong. You need a couple of these, which I ordered the other day. And I'll go out and show you. Okay. Okay, well, you get the idea. I'm looking at this thing right here. It's a little jammy. Having problems with that. It's right on the center of my hood, driver's side. From under here, lift this up. And as you can see, remember there it is right there. It's squirting stuff all over the inside and it's broken off. Okay, what you do is you push these in. It's got like two little things I'll show you a little later. You pull this one here out. Oh, and it just broke off, so it's gonna be a little more tough than that. So I'm gonna grab a couple tools. I'm gonna extract this piece here. There's two little pieces up in there. I don't know if you can see them. You squeeze those together and pop it out. There's a gasket. And apparently this thing just warmed up and everything and cooled too many times, and we're going to replace it with these. Okay, here we are again. And I didn't show you how I popped the other one out, but where the hell is it? Right here. I got a little pair of vice grips. I just reach up there, squeeze it together, and why'd the other one just pop right out? Okay, there it goes. And you just push it right out. Broken piece comes right out. Okay, this is the broken one. These things are very brittle, and they come, the new ones right here, comes with the gasket. You put the gasket on, then you stick it from the top down through there in the right direction. Okay, when I was taking these apart, the ends broke off, and see, this piece goes across like so. I just pulled that apart, and that enabled me to get out the broken end of these, which I just pulled out. So place the little gaskets. The gaskets are going to go against your paint on the top. You'll be putting it into the hole, the spout end first, pointing toward the front. Okay, if you can see the orientation. What I'll do is I'll push the hood down and walk over here. And I guess I should clean up that hole somehow. I'll do it real quick with my shirt, see if that works okay. It's gonna have to be okay for right now. It's freezing out here. And okay, you just give it one of these. Look, you can see the gasket. You just press it in like that. You go to the other side. See the hole? And you do the same with this one. You have the gasket on. The gasket goes on. It fits one way. See how the shape? Okay. And you just take her and you put that end in, facing toward the front. And then you can just press her down like that, and there she is. Now you open the hood up, and it's time to press on your pieces. Now I gotta put this piece on here. Now it simply goes like that, and it tucks into those little clips there, if you can see them. Here, I'll show you in a second. Okay, as you can see, everything went back on. You got a clip there it goes into. You come across. You got a clip there that goes into it, hooks into it, the T fitting there. You reconnect that hose, and there you are. Close your hood, take your tools. Come around the front. pardon the dust and the leaves. It's that time of year here. And then we press the washer, and look what we have. It's putting out a lot. Okay? You need those for winter. Thanks a lot. Have a good day.